Hi guys, I can't wait to see you tomorrow night. I just wanted to welcome you back from spring break. You may not be back exactly yet, but I don't know what the weather is in Hayes, but I'm looking outside my window, and if you hear a big crackle, it's because we have a storm here in Wichita tonight. This is Sunday night. Anyway, I just wanted to remind you to be prepared for class tomorrow night because we have a lot to do. So I need you to read the Nordhaus book, chapters 9 and 10, thoroughly, please. That's on transformational leadership and servant leadership. And then I also need you to bring a peer-reviewed scholarly journal article that is related in some way to either transformational leadership, servant leadership, or the symbolic frame. And there is a list that's provided for you under the Module 5 assignment. And I think I also included it in some of the materials that I gave you last time. But if not, if you look at the Module 5 assignment, there's a list there that shows you that. And then I also need you to skim the material, at least this week, for the symbolic frame. So if it means that all you can actually do in order to skim that is to take a look at the overview of the objectives of the chapter and the main points for each of chapters, I think it's 12, 13, and 14, that's fine for tomorrow night if you haven't read it in detail. Or you could always watch the videos that are on there. But I want you to come prepared because we're going to have a lot to do in class. We're going to review where we have been up until this point. We'll talk more specifically about transformational and servant leadership. And then we will spend a lot of time actually analyzing the scholarly journal article that you bring and how it's related to symbolic frame, transformational leadership, or servant leadership, and then also how that intertwines with student affairs and your organization, so that hopefully what we'll come up with is a journal article that you can use, at least one additional source that you can use to weave into your organizational assessment paper. So we're going to talk about that a lot tomorrow night. We're going to break up into groups. You're going to identify a lot of the main points and the central thesis and the methods and what the conclusions were from that scholarly journal article. So you don't want to just bring it to class. You want to make sure that you have read that also before you come to class. So come prepared, and I will see you tomorrow night at 6 o'clock. Okay, bye.